Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe I am sharing with you how to make groundnut chin chin, and this will be the best chin chin you've ever had. In a large bowl I will add sifted flour, sugar, milk powder, baking powder, salt, grated nutmeg. Whisk the dry ingredients together. I'll add butter. You can use margarine as well. Mix until they are well combined. You will have a crumbly texture like what you can see in this video. For groundnut chin chin, you will need groundnuts. I'm using roasted groundnuts. I'll add that inside a blender. I'll cover the blender and blend it. It doesn't need to be very smooth. Add the groundnuts. Mix them together. I'll be using eggs. Whisk the eggs together. Add the eggs. Add water gradually. I'll mix it with a spatula first. I'll go over it with my hands. Mix it until I get a nice dough. If the dough is too hard, you can add a little bit of water. The dough shouldn't be too strong and it shouldn't be too soft. Once that is done, cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Next, flour the work surface. Place the dough and divide the dough. I'll keep half and work with half first. Roll out the dough to be flat. Once the dough is well rolled, I'll trim the edge with a pizza cutter. You can use a knife as well. Then cut the dough to your desired size or shape. Today's special love is going to Martha Blessing. Thank you for always watching and liking my videos. Let me know where you're watching me from, so in my next video I can send you a special love. Separate the cut chin chin dough so they don't stick together, and repeat this process until everything is done. I have oil on the stove. I will check the oil temperature by dropping one inside. Once the oil is hot, add the cut chin chin dough and fry on medium heat. From time to time, stir the chin chin so they can fry nicely. Once the chin chin are golden brown, the chin chin is ready. Remove them from the hot oil. Transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the chin chin. Remove the chin chin from the hot oil before they turn brown completely, because when the chin chin is hot, it still gets brown on its own. Allow the chin chin to cool down completely before packing it. Store it in an airtight container. This chin chin was very delicious and crunchy. You can give them out to your family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.